I'm going to show anybody who doesn't know how to do cable cast on. I've done this video before, but it's probably been lost amongst all the other videos that I've done, so I'm doing it again. And first of all, you make a slip knot, which is just wrapping the yarn around your finger and pulling a loop through the loop you've made around your finger. And that's a slip knot, and then you just slip that onto the needle. This is for beginners, really, like who are just learning to knit. And this was the way my mother taught me how to cast on, probably almost 70 years ago, and that's the way I've used it. So you start with a slip knot, and you don't put the needle through that stitch you've got on there. You put behind it like that. Then you put the yarn over the right hand needle, bring it through and put it onto the left hand needle. When you come to do the next stitch, you don't put it through that loop, you put it behind into the space that you've just made between those two loops, and you put the yarn over, pull it through and put it onto the left hand needle. Then again through that space between those last two loops, put the yarn over, bring it through, take it from the right hand needle onto the left hand needle, and then again through that space, yarn over, pull it through onto the left hand needle, needle behind the space, behind the loop, sorry, into the space between the last two stitches, yarn over, pull through onto the left hand needle, right hand needle into the space behind the loop, yarn over the needle, pull it through, take it from the right hand needle onto the left hand needle. And again, it's very easy. And then you keep on doing that until you've got however many stitches that you want on your needle. And I find that's a very neat way to cast on. You get a nice tight edge to your to rib, whatever you're doing, whatever you're casting those stitches on for. So if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll show you more.